True Love Feels Number 2, by Johnny Glover. www.bestdatingrelationships.com. There is one important fact to present. I have never had, nor attempted to conceive, a fantasy or inappropriate mind thoughts about my love. To this day, my thoughts will not formulate on anything other than my commitment to this precious human being, who is as chemically bonded to me, as I was to her. The desire for any other term relationships became null and void. No other female, regardless of the physical attributions or financial status, could sway me from this perfect attraction. Even after 16 years of living the life, my character remains strong and grows stronger with each passing second. I communicate with others, with the vigor of the totally satisfied individual. I have nothing but a total regard for the safe and reliable methods that I would like others to see in me, and maybe help in their efforts to gain that social relationship that represents the ultimate relationship. Find Your Tao. A Badass Review Scam is intended to furnish you with relationships advice that are in my own words. My attempt to explain the way true love feels will fall short of my expectations, because of the inability to find the appropriate words to describe, to the fullest, the excitement that flows throughout my body. For 16 years I have been trying to formulate the exact phrases to submit to those who are constantly seeking the answer to this simple but complicated process. Every attempt to write or verbally express my experience results in a blockage of supportive facts that will ensure an unquestionable nod of approval from the listener. It is as though the feeling must remain a secret that can only be experienced and shared by the behavior of the recipients to one another. I am making this initial attempt, in written form, to bring this feeling to the awareness of those who possess an interest in knowing what it feels like to love the way true love feels. The belief or acceptance of this information is of little importance to this author. This attitude accompanies the success associated with the acceptance of the ultimate romantic relationship. After 5 decades of trying to understand the true meaning of social contact, I believe it's now time to share some of my many thoughts with society.